Hi there, my name is Fareed Sheik. I'm a CPA CA in practice for the last 15 years in Mississauga, Ontario. I have many clients, especially a significant number of physicians, who always ask this question about the capital gain stripping. So I thought of making this video. So instead of writing to them individually or speaking to them over phone individually, I thought of I can post this video for the benefit of them and for everybody who wants to watch this. Uh, the capital gain stripping is there for quite a few years now, and they're going to finish it by end of this 31st December 2023 based on the new budget propositions which was made in August 2023. They are bringing in the strengthening the general anti-avoidance to stop any avoidance of taxes, right? So they're going to finish this by 31st of December 2023. Now, the shareholders can withdraw funds from the corporation in different ways, but every way of doing has got its own tax implications. Most common way was either drawing as a salary, wherein they pay taxes based on the brackets they fall in, or they can withdraw as a dividend. So based on the category of dividend, whether it is an eligible dividend or an ineligible dividend, they pay different rates of taxes personally. This capital gain stripping is a very complicated way of withdrawing the funds from the corporation but pay lesser taxes, which is like on a capital gains tax rate. So how it works is because based on the reorganization of the capital structure of the company by issuing shares to the shareholder through another related corporation, then purchasing it back by the corporation. So the shareholder sells the corporation shares back to the corporation. That way, they get a capital gains. They treat this money as a capital gain, which they can take from the corporation. If you want further details, this is not the video, but if you want any complete details of it, you can contact me later. I can explain. But in a nutshell, the shareholder can withdraw the funds as capital gains, and they get added in their personal tax return as a capital gains. So for example, if a shareholder wants to withdraw $1 million, then that $1 million can be treated either as a dividend or as a capital gain stripping. If they withdraw that as a dividend, as traditionally, they would pay a capital dividend tax rate of say 47% if it is an ineligible dividend, or they would pay around 39% if it is a eligible dividend. For example, they withdraw this as a ineligible dividend. For $1 million, they would pay $470,000 in taxes. So they got $530,000 left for their purposes. On the other hand, if they withdraw this $1 million as a capital gain stripping, they would pay around 29% taxes. So they would pay around $290,000, and they can keep the remaining $710,000 to their pocket. So there's a significant amount of tax saving there. But it all depends why they want to withdraw this money. If they want to withdraw this money to buy an investment for a real estate or for some stocks, I would rather suggest invest them in the name of the corporation, so the corporation can invest it on its own name without any personal tax implication for the shareholders, so they pay zero taxes. Or if they want to withdraw this money to pay off their principal house mortgage, or they want to put a down payment for their principal residence, they can withdraw this as a shareholder loan for their principal residence, for which there is a provision in the tax rules. They can have it for 5 years and repay it back in 5 years with just the prescribed rate of interest, which is 3% back to the corporation. This way they pay zero taxes. If you have any questions about this, you can contact me separately. I can give you more details. But if they want to withdraw this money to spend on personal, buying jewelry or a vacation or giving it to their family members, then capital gain stripping is the best way of doing it. But if you want to withdraw this money to invest or to pay off your home, don't do capital gain stripping. I hope this was beneficial to you. If you have any more questions, please you can reach out to me. My email is fareed@fareed.ca. Thank you very much.